Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the MP Concepts quarter window louvers in matte black, available for the 08 and newer Challenger. You should be checking these out if you're looking to beef up the exterior styling on your Challenger, getting a more reminiscent look of the 60s and 70s classic retro muscle cars. If you're looking for that nostalgic appearance, a quarter window louver is a great, really affordable way to go. Now these are made from an injection molded ABS plastic. They feature a 5-slot louver design, so a very classic look, not something that has any crazy modern or unique spin to it. It's just a very straightforward quarter window louver, exactly what you think of in the category. Now this is a matte black finish, which has virtually no gloss to it. So if you're looking for a slightly more stealthy look, this is a great way to go. If you're looking to blend in with some of the more glossy features of your factory paint, then you can pick up the gloss black version in the category as well. Now, if you're looking to paint match it to your factory or OEM color, these are paintable, but just know that right out of the box, they are ready to go. Price tag comes in right around $100, again, making them pretty affordable. Install them given 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Anybody can tackle this in the driveway at home with about 15 to 30 minutes from start to finish. I'll walk you through that whole process, so let's get started. First things first, we're gonna start with our louver on the table. I've got the plastic wrap that it actually ships in on the table so I can put this face down without scratching it on our tabletop. I'm gonna take an alcohol wipe and I'm gonna clean off the edges of our louver, getting rid of all the dirt and dust. Now, alcohol wipes are not included in the kit, but I do recommend picking them up separately. Of course, they're super cheap. You can buy them right on Amazon or something like that. And it's just gonna help clean off those edges. Now, you can use soap and water in a squirt bottle along with a microfiber if you'd like, but I just find this to be a little bit easier. So that way, once that's clean, we can take the 3M automotive bonding tape included in the kit. We're gonna basically start at one end, apply it right to the edge, and run it all along the perimeter. You wanna make sure you're putting a good, even pressure all around to get a good bond. Run it from edge to edge. Now, I may go all the way to the edge. I'm gonna use my knife here to just cut that excess off. Just like that, and then keep going. All right, once you get to the edge, I'm gonna take that knife and I'm gonna peel up on the backing just a couple of inches to make it easier to apply to the vehicle. That way from the outside, we can actually have access to the backing and it'll make life a lot easier. And I'll show you guys that in a minute. Now, if you want, you can use adhesion promoter just to give it an extra support or extra bond with the glass itself. At that point, you would peel the entire backing off, apply the adhesion promoter to the sticky side of the 3M, let it dry and apply it. Again, not included in the kit. You can pick it up separately if you're interested in that. Not required, so I'm gonna skip right over that, guys. Plus, we're going back to stock after this. So from here, we're gonna apply it to the windshield after we clean it, and then we'll be good to go. Kicking things off, we're gonna do the same thing to our windshield that we did to the back of the louver. Gonna use this alcohol wipe here to go around the edges, just to clean off the dirt and dust. This is one of the most, if not the most important part of that install process. You wanna make sure that this is completely clear of anything that would prohibit a good bond with the 3M and the glass. Then I just like to go over the middle just to make sure that that's clean and clear from the inside looking out. All right, let's apply the louver. All right, from here, what I like to do is start in the corner, follow around the top to make sure it's lined up on the glass, same thing on the bottom. Once you put a little bit of pressure where that 3M is sticking, you can start to peel off the rest of the backing and put pressure all along that and down here. This gives you a little bit of room for error just in case you mess up. And then from there, put firm and even pressure all around, repeat on the other side, and you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my review and install for the MP Concepts quarter window louvers in matte black for the 08 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.